All right, so I took what I just made. I'll start again since I just started recording what I just made in the previous video. And now I'd like to turn that into creating users. So I'm going to now read the file that I made previously. So that was user pass.txt. So now I'm reading that file I previously wrote, and I will still create the line into crap and then use this. And so then the first, I'll say username UN was the first, and PW password was the second. And I will print them out or echo them out. So let me echo the username, echo the password. And so I am reading that file I just made and I'm parsing it. I used comma again, and I'm just grabbing the username and the password from that and echoing them out. Let's see how we're doing. So what did I call that? Make user.sh. So there I'm making the username and then the password. So I've recovered that information. Okay, then back from lab 10, we were making a user. Okay, now I see that maybe I should have had a full name. I'll sort of fake a full name or something like that. Copy. And so that is sort of going to be in here, control. So I sort of put all that stuff about making a user into here. So let me go back and get myself a full name. So I'm going to go back to the previous script. Sorry, here's my previous script. And F name I have for first name, but let me get, and I have the password, let me make one more full name. Full name is going to be, let me do it before my echo. My full name is going to be, what did I do? What can I write? Equals $, first name, $, last name. Let me put quotes around that. And let me then add $, full here. And let me save that and run that, see what I have. So this was username. And now I have the full name added to my list. Okay, that makes me happier now. And now I'll get the full name here. And that was the third field. And let me echo that out to make sure I just have a full name. And let me take this out for a minute. So I'm just making sure I can get all the information back out of my file. Make user, I'm getting the names. Okay. All right, I think I have everything twice. So I need to remake that file. I wrote I'm always appending to my file. And so now I have my old version of my file and my new version of file. So I need to delete it, user pass, to let me remove user underscore pass.txt and make it one more time, just make one clean version. I just killed them. Oh, sorry. No such file or directory, user pass. So I just deleted it. Oh, I'm running the wrong file, that's why. I have to run not make user, but username. I recreated the usernames. Now I'm going to run make users. I have all my information back. Okay. Now let me go and turn this into creating a user. I don't need bin bash again. So now I'm pasting, when I made one user, I'm pasting that now into my loop. The full name is the full name. So I don't need the hard-coded Doug Peterson. The password is password. I don't need the hard-coded password. I was doing all this work to create a username, which I've already done. So the Perl was to encrypt the password. So I'm keeping that. All this last name, first name, username stuff was to create a username, which I've done. And then I am creating a user with a full name, pass. So I'm taking this out, but somehow I called it password here. Oh no, there it is. Pass is the encrypted version. So that makes sense. So I have the full name, I have the last name, I have the encrypted password. I think I have and I think I have an Eagles group. Let me check by doing cat, etc. group. I have an Eagles group, so that's good. So I made my file, user underscore pass.txt. I'm reading that file in a loop. I am playing my game of using the common delimiter by using cut. So I made my fake little file crap. And so then I have a username, a password, and then a full name. I had to go back and get the full name. And then I encrypt the password. And then I'm making a user add. I'm adding, they're going to be added to their own little group. That's standard. And then they're going to be added to the Eagles group. And hopefully that works. And now I'm going to have a big crap load of users. And I'll hate you, but that'll be all right. What's the name of this? Make user. So see if this works. Enter my password because there's a sudo. Blah, blah, blah. Didn't complain, amazingly. Let me do cat, etc. Password. And there are a million, or not a million, but way too many Eagles players from way back in 16. All right. Any questions while I'm still recording? I'll stop recording.